Good morning and welcome to Foshan EtonHouse International School. My name is Henry McIntosh, the liaison for this year's Leading Your International School conference. We are thrilled to host this incredible event right here at Foshan EtonHouse on the 28th to the 30th of March. This year's theme, Leadership for Opportunity, perfectly reflects what leadership means at Foshan EtonHouse, creating opportunities, fostering growth and inspiring change. In the lower school, our students are encouraged to inquire, collaborate, and take meaningful action. In the upper school, the Cambridge International Curriculum challenges them to critically think and solve problems in the real world. Leadership at Foshan EtonHouse isn't defined by titles. It's about character, leading by example, serving others, and embracing diversity. Through service-leading community, partnerships, and student-led initiatives. We are also proud to feature a remarkable group of guest speakers at this conference, each reflecting our commitment to leadership and opportunity. It is just in this moment where we will share a small glimpse about these wonderful speakers and their voice. Before I go, first of all, let's hear about somebody who is reflecting all this every day in her life. Our head girl, Amy Du.
Hello everyone, my name is Amy Du and it's my great honor to welcome you to Foshan EtonHouse International School. Leadership here isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It's about making a positive impact and becoming a role model for the others. At FEIS, we are taught to lead with empathy, to collaborate with each other, and to take actions, whether in a classroom, during a community project, or through school events. The theme of this year's conference, Leadership for Opportunity, is something we experience every day. At FEIS, we are not just developing academically. We are growing as leaders and we are all ready to make a big step and make a big difference to the world. We are very excited to share our journey with you and we hope to inspire the leadership inside you. And now let's welcome the guest speakers.
Hello, I'm Mr. Otley and I'm principal here at Foshan EtonHouse International School. I am so looking forward to the LYIS conference where we are going to have all of the established leaders from around the world assemble here and share best practice with one another. Myself, I'll be running a session on customer service, a term that you don't often hear in relation to the education world, but one that is at the heart of everything that we do. So I'll be offering a chance for leadership to reflect on their own practice at their school, as well as think about areas in which they are able to improve upon their current practice. We'll be talking about service leadership, communication, dealing with parents, and so on and so forth. I'm so looking forward to not just running the workshop, but from learning from the expertise that is coming into our school. See you all there in March.
Hi everyone, welcome to the conference. We're here in Foshan. Foshan is an amazing city with spectacular Canton culture, and our school is the first international school in Foshan, and we can't wait to see you here. I'm also excited to share women in leadership from my cultural perspective.
Hello and welcome. We are delighted to have you come join us for this year's conference here in the beautiful city of Foshan in our lovely school, Foshan EtonHouse International School. We're so looking forward to meeting you all. We're looking forward to sharing ideas and learning from one another. And we're truly looking forward to just this time where we can grow in our own professional development as leaders across the world. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us here